Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let us see how to design our blouse matching our saree. Here in this saree, you see Warli painting all dancing ladies throughout the border in 4 lines. This is the blouse where I have painted 2 lines of dancing ladies. I'll show you how to paint this blouse bit. I have traced the design and transferred to the blouse bit using a carbon sheet. Put it in a frame. Be careful that the design should be of the same size as in the saree. This is the paint which I used. This is acrylic or fabric paint in black color. Use a very thin brush and paint. The medium used here is water. That is, to make the paint thin, we use water, and to wash the brush, also we use water. Paint the design using black. Put the hands and the legs continuously without any break in between. Fill the triangles, that is, the upper body and the lower body, and the head, which is a round, fully with black. After completing the design, keep it open and dry for 24 hours. You should not wash the fabric for 72 hours after painting. And after 72 hours, you can wash your cloth and you can iron the fabric on the reverse side. This is a tip for you for the paint to last long. I hope you are clear about it now. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends. I have given all other links for the fabric painting in the description. If you wish, you can put the same design around the neck portion in your blouse. That can be done even after stitching your blouse. There are so many types of Warli painting, but we see this type of dancing ladies in a saree, and so we are doing this in the blouse bit. I hope this type of painting is clear for you. If you like this video, please click the like button and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.